Welcome. In this video, we'll go through a simple step-by-step guide on how to find all the members in a Telegram group using the latest PC version of the app. Whether you're a group admin or just a curious member, this quick tutorial will help you see everyone in your group in just a few clicks. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your chats and groups. Once you're on the main screen, take a moment to look at the list on the left-hand side where all your conversations are displayed. Next, scroll through your chat list and find the group you want to check. Click on the group to open it. Once inside, you'll see your usual chat window with messages, media, and all the ongoing conversations. Now, look at the top of the chat window. You'll see the name of the group right there, usually next to the group's picture or icon. Click on the group's name. This will open up the group's information page, where all the details about that group are stored. On the info page, you'll see sections like About, Media, and probably a Members section. Here's where the magic happens. Click on the Members area. This opens the full list of everyone who's currently in the group. You can scroll through the list to see all usernames, profile pictures, and sometimes even their online status depending on privacy settings. If you're an admin, you might also see extra options, like adding new members, removing someone, or promoting another person to admin. But even if you're just a regular member, this is still the best way to view all other people connected to the group. And that's it. You've just learned how to find all members in a Telegram group on the PC app after the new update. It's fast, easy, and takes less than a minute once you know where to look. Thanks for watching.